Look at this shit. Ooh. That's tough.
Stay, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Changing the transmission fluid in this. It's crazy. Oh, and it's leaking out. Look at that. That's how true. That's crazy. Alright. That's crazy, so I finally went to get the new filter, and I got a little video of me taking out the old one, but I wanted to show y'all this disgusting filter, man. Look at this. I don't know if y'all see that. Hold on. See that? In there, the sludge, man, hanging out in the filter. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Alright. So I just wanted to show it. And then also, which is bad, I have a couple of metal shavings here, which is signs of a failing transmission. Alright. You'll get the point. So this car technically has 200,000 miles on it. Right now on the dash is 150. Gotta change the speedometer, but I don't care about none of that. I care about how the car drives. I'm honestly not worried about this metal shaving so much at this point, because I'm cleaning out the transmission fluid, which is what should have been done, and which could be the reason why it has the shavings. And yeah, man, so then I ended up ordering, this is the original one, let me see. I ended up ordering this filter guide. I didn't know how it looked, right? And the one they showed me online had a screw in the middle, so I bought that one, and it wasn't that one. This is the other gasket, the original gasket. If you see, it's hard, all right, which is actually, you know, I want to use it. How you doing? All right, I want to use this one. I don't know. The one that they give us is some little flimsy rubber. So I don't know, man. I don't honestly know. This is what they give us. So this is what we're doing. And then take out the pan. It's 14 screws. I guess that's how you figure it out. It has an S on it on the bottom of the trans, and this one has an S on the filter. So that could be an indicator of, first of all, this being the original filter, right? And second off, so wow, that's crazy when you think about it. Wow. Yeah. So I'm gonna change it now. Man, this is the truck, man, and I wanted to show you guys how it looks. Looks very complicated, and to think that this transmission is from '01 and transmissions now have the same type of technology shows how advanced this one was. I just changed the starter too, and that's it, man. And now I'm cleaning this, and I wanted to show you all this on the magnet. That's what's in the transmission for sure. That's what it's sticking to. And also this piece was just hanging in there when I took it out. So I gotta figure out where this piece goes. It doesn't look like it broke off or anything. So I don't know, there's something that, a little washer, and I mean a little rubber. All right, whatever, let's clean this stuff. All right, so if anybody knows what this is, please tell me. But I found it in the case taking it out of the case just to be on the safe side. I don't feel like this should be jumping around in the bottom. Okay, this book useless, y'all. Just so you know. I tried gasket maker. All right, we got some of that, and then we got some thread sealant real quick for high temperature. It's pretty much what we're doing right now. Lining it up, putting it right in, and then filling and putting everything through the gears. Gotta make sure it's just completely clean, as clean as possible. You don't want none of that in there, but that's what we're doing. So, just turned it on. Honestly, what we're looking for is leaks. Everything is looking pretty good right now. We're gonna wait a little while longer, and I'm gonna put it through the gears, and then finish off this last mark on 5 right there. Finish it up, make sure it's on level. All right, so what I did was turn on the car. Reverse always kind of gives that right, and then park. So what we're doing is we're just putting the fluid through all the cylinders, one thing at a time, back to reverse. Neutral. Park. And drive. And then you go to drive 2. And then you go to drive 1. And the car has no stutter besides when it goes into reverse. And that's normal. Right? Neutral, even once it goes to reverse. It turns back. And obviously that's where you get that from. And it could be the motor mount. Probably need to get replaced, and that's probably why I feel it so much. Then back into park. Alright? So now it's time to check the fluids one more time. Make sure everything we did is proper, but it sounds pretty good. The only thing I have to focus on is filling the fluids up tomorrow. Today, tomorrow, the day after, making sure that everything is the mess that I made, supplies that I needed and used. And this is the amazing thing, man. Like I said, it has to be the original, same S, and that's crazy, man. It should be a major difference once I drive this vehicle out of here. Major difference. And that's that, man. I had fun. Time to clean up. Definitely took 5 quarts. So right now I gotta just check it, make sure, like I said, make sure it's good. But we're done on this one, man. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. It's over. I just wanted to show y'all, the truck in the middle of the road is running. It drives pretty smooth.